You know just what you do to me. Play my emotions like a pair of puppet strings. Did it ever occur to you my heart's more than a toy? Please go easy on me, babe. Send message after message, forward my calls. Next day you hit me back like nothing happened at all. What about all the things you used to say to me? This ain't the way it's supposed to be. And you know I wouldn't do that to you. You know I wouldn't treat you that way. No, I've been running, can't catch up. Oh love, what I won't do.
Meu Deus!
Oh, you got me chasing waterfalls.
Caraca! Itens e eu!
Oh, you got me chasing waterfalls. All of the times I've been there, times I came through. I'd meet you anywhere if it brought me closer to you. Distance is killing me, you make it so hard. Won't you let me love you, baby?
É a caiaque de...
Be optimistic. These days I just don't know. Pick a fence in the valley. I hope it's losing its hold. You know the mother girls are not like you do. Can afford to give up on you.
Tá bom, se piorar a gente vai pra sua casa.
I wouldn't do that to you.
Se encher aqui, vai lá pra trás também. Fala com ela pra ficar esperta.
I wouldn't treat you that way, no.
Amor, sai daí!
Ô vó, pelo amor de Deus, fique esperta aí. Se encher aqui, vai pra sua casa também.
Luiz Felipe, sai, meu amor, por favor! Sai, Elvis!
Chasing waterfall. Oh, you got me chasing waterfall.
Essa aqui, ó, é a situação que o jardim se encontra no momento. Então a gente vai forçar por esses pedidos de ajuda agora pra cá. Tem muita gente precisando da ajuda nossa aí.
Chasing waterfalls. Oh, you got me chasing waterfalls.